Good morning. I am ready but not ready, but here we are. So welcome to our Facebook Live. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you're enjoying this new time. We are going to talk about a lot of things today, so let's start with the quilts we have hanging. This is the Great Smoky Mountain panel that I have here in my hand. Do I have it right?
Yes, you did.
Right here. And Vicki quilted up this sample for us, and the pattern is a Villa Rosa called October Sky. You may have it. It's great for panels, and it's beautiful with the sunrise and the bears. I love that. And then Ruth, if you can swing around here, this is another Great Smoky Mountains. You know, this is great quilt panels for people who like to visit our neighboring state, because those mountains are beautiful. This panel is the waterfall, which I love. Great guys colors. And this was using a Villa Rosa pattern called Fish and Chips, which we have both in stock. So if you are interested in the panel, getting ready for your summer vacation, you could take a nice lap quilt for the road, and or present it as a gift to your host if you're staying with friends down there. And so two Great Smoky Mountain panels. Just have to find some blender colors. We have them kitted up, Vicki? No, these are just the panels. Okay. We'll help you match some colors and make your own quilt. We also have other panel patterns from Villa Rosa that you can take a look through if you don't like these. Another thing I wanted to remind you of is the door banner kit. Comes in, let me grab this other box, Ruth. Comes in a beautiful keepsake box with a magnetic closing, and these are the panels. So I've shown you the Easter panel before. That's April. May is the tulips. June is the ice cream. July is the flag, and there are more to come. I just love these kits. Love the way they present in the box. It's a great gift for someone if you're looking for a gift, and great size to hang on your front door. So you'll have a seasonal panel every single month. I brought some bolts up here to let you know we're going to put some more bolts on the sale rack today. Ruth and I are going to move some things over there, so if you haven't had a look at the sale rack in a while, we're going to freshen it up with some new bolts today, and pre-cuts. We're going to move some more pre-cuts over to the sale table. So come on by the store and take a look at those, and there'll be some new things there waiting for you at a great discount. The other thing we have at a discount right now are floor model machines. So if you are interested in a handy quilter and you didn't get one for Christmas, then come and see us, because we have some great prices on our floor model machines on the floor. We have every model but the Amar sit down and the Fusion.
Mar 24.
24. Ruth is flashing me signals and I can't brain talk at the same time. So we don't have the 24 on the floor, but we've got the 26, the 20, the 18, the 15, lots of choices for you, and we would love to show them to you. Speaking of handy quilter, you need to mark this in your calendar. If you are waiting for a handy quilter event to come purchase your handy quilter, we have special pricing on the floor models, but we will have special pricing on brand new models. Our event is April 4th, 5th, and 6th. So we'll do basics class, we'll do a whole bunch of free motion, teach you how to do free motion, we'll do the Pro Stitcher class. That is I think it's a Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So the Thursday class is repeated on Saturday for those of you that couldn't make it on Thursday. We will have the class schedule up in the system, hopefully by the end of today, if not by tomorrow, so you can start signing up for that event. I'm looking forward to it. Our events are always so much fun. We have a national educator come in. You get to try out different machines, and we're looking forward to having you. So If you are looking to purchase a new handy quilter, that's the event for you to see. Now, final announcement. Pro Stitcher Designer. Those of you that already have a handy quilter with a Pro Stitcher on it, you know that that designer program came with your machine. Very similar to embroidery software in that you can change patterns, you can buy a pattern, bring it in, make changes to it. You can create your own quilt patterns on Pro Stitcher Designer. And we are going to have our first ever virtual event. So you don't even have to come to the store. It's going to be an all-day event on March 22nd. You can sit there right in your pajamas on your desktop or your laptop. Previously, if you came to the store, you had to bring a laptop, and a lot of people didn't have that. So now you can load the software on your desktop or laptop, be sitting at your house, take a lunch, let the dogs out, and then join back up the class in the afternoon. So those hours are 10 to 12, and then 1:30 to 3:30 for Pro Stitcher Designer. And this is an unlimited seating class, so we don't have to be restricted to the 12 people we have in the back. She can do it virtually with as many people. So even if you didn't buy your Pro Stitcher from us, if you have Pro Stitcher Designer and want to learn how to use that design software, sign up for our March 22nd class. That's all I have for today. I need some water. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you next Wednesday.